Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is GameDev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. How does it feel to do the evil biddings by Evil Wizard?
Into the moonlight, into the moonlight.
Mysterious sites can be found all over the world of Rika.
Hearts are frozen, we were chosen. Hearts are frozen in time, in time, in time,
Snowy Waterfall Scene Part 2 by Dylan.
in time. Once upon a time, and fame was on the road. We were dreamers, free and fearless. The world beneath us, we take
Sewers by Don Julio Games.
Starlight, star bright, you are the first star I see tonight. Starlight, star bright.
Put in a lot more detail into that first room of Colors Hall by Kuro.
Stargazing, stars are the jewels of the night, hidden behind the horizon. Into the moonlight, into the moonlight.
Offense and defense both work with mouse swipes. Left mouse to attack and right mouse to evade and block by Sergio.
Hearts are frozen in time. We are the dreamers,
Worked on the options menu today by Sev.
free and fearless. We are the dreamers, free and fearless. The world beneath us, we take flight. Once upon a time, and fame was on the road.
Use the night to gather the moonberries you need by Rika.
Beneath us, we take flight.
Kay in the Marumba Mask. What will she do? By Grimtails.
We are the dreamers, free and fearless. The world beneath us, we
Play the Pocket Wheels Alpha by Florian Wolf. A Fight Above the Clouds by Grimbar Tales. Refreshing some older content by 5Game Stellar Fury. Another enemy design, what do you think, by Pyrolith? What's This So? By Red Bash. Simple gameplay prototype, roguelike first-person shooter by Moonlight Walker. Closer look at the possession mechanic in Silt, coming in early 2022. Faster Than Them, Higher Than Clouds by Division. Did You Miss the Battery by Aerofist Games. Functional Electromagnetic Crane by Ondrik. Don't mind him, he's just vibing there. By Kronos. Beware the Traps in the Ruins by Grimbart Tales. Got myself a modern PC to do some performance tests on by Philippe.
Make you love again, yeah. If it's the last thing that I say, I make sure I say it the right way. If it's the last thing that I do, I make sure that I get through.
Want to make Particles Follow Any Path by Gabriel Aguilar Productions. The link is below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.